Can you see my screen and can you hear me well? Okay, let's have a quick shootout round. Ready? Ready? Okay, so we discuss about these protocols, correct? We discuss about the protocols. So what is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So what is the default port number of HTTP? 80. Which one? 80. And then the default, so whether we put at the end port number 80 or don't put, both are same or different? Both are same. So, and also for the customers, is it recommended to give a separate port number at the end of the URL? What do you say? Answer is no. So for the customer, the default, it should be always a default port number. If it is HTTP, what is the port number? 80. If it is HTTPS, 443. Nice. Okay, so, and if someone asks you what is HTTP, what do you say? HTTP is a protocol which transfers the data to and fro from your client to server and server to the client. Agree? Okay, nice. And then also we have discussed yesterday about status codes. Which one? Status codes. So if you get page not found, what is the status code that you get? What is the status code? 404. Okay. If page found, 200. Very good. That is a certification question. So if page found, what is it, Nana? 200. Nice. And then we discuss about HTTP over TCP IP. Yes or no? So who is the guy who will be establishing the connection between the two hosts? Fantastic. TCP. On top of the TCP, who will be traveling? HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, everyone will be following on the TCP. Good. And which one is reliable? TCP or UDP? TCP. And then we have learned about OSI layers, correct? How many layers are there? 7 layers. So this is what we have learned in our last class. Clear, Nana, till here? So this is a recap of what we have learned yesterday. So let's jump on today's topic. So before I jump today on today's topic, what I will show you is, I'll show you one small diagram. Rocky, nothing is required. Okay. So there is some question here, private question. Sir, which language is required for AWS? Java or Python? Do we need any language to learn AWS? Not required. So if you ask me, sir, I want to be a super champ in AWS. So please suggest me. Then I would vote for Python. So it's not required for us, but if you want to do some automation related things, Python is best. No, we will not be using Java, nothing else. For doing automation, Python is required, but for now, that is also not required. First, we need to learn about AWS, then you think about automation. Okay, Nana? Okay, good. Yes, you can, Joseph. Okay, so first what I do is, I'll show you one diagram. You tell me what is the diagram. Okay, what is there in the diagram? Let's do that. Abba, you saw it, huh? Yeah, my bad. Okay, so what is this, Nana? Chiti, what is this? Online. Don't worry about what is the shell script. Forget about everything. Just keep your mind empty now. Aram say, take a deep breath, relax. You are with Riyaz, you are with Riyaz, sir. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay. Aram say, just ignore everything and just concentrate on the class. Okay. That's how you go for meditation, huh? Like that. Okay. So what is this, Nana? This is called a data center, or some people also call it as server room. We call it as server room, or we call it as data center. Okay, the next question here I would like to ask is, how many of you worked inside the data center? I know everyone are very freshers, and but experienced people. Are there any experienced people here in our class? Those who worked inside the data center? Online, put yes if you are. Okay, no one. So at least, did you saw the data center? You saw the data center? Okay. So many people haven't saw the data center also. Few people only saw the data center. Good. So let us talk a little bit on this today. Okay, now. So this is a data center. What we call it here? data center. Guys, half of my career I spent in working inside the data center. So half of my career I was into the data center. Okay. So let me tell you a few things about this, which is very, very interesting. As you know, I started my career with Infosys, right? So way back, I don't remember, in 2000s. So I started my career in Infosys. In Infosys, I got a chance to work inside the data center. Before I go a little bit deeper, see the diagram and tell me what are the things that are there inside the data center. What do you see? Chiti, what do you see? Louder. What do you see inside the data center? So many cables are there. Bolo. CPUs are there. Very good. CPUs are there. Servers, CPUs are there. Cables are there. Racks. You have racks, no? Shelf racks. And then fire extinguisher. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have the fire extinguisher. Okay, that's good. Just in case if something boom boom happen, you have to go and do that. Okay, next. Coolers. Okay, you mean air condition. Right, definitely air condition should be there. If there is no air condition, what will happen? It will be like oven. Okay, it get heated up and then all your servers will be done. And then, so you have wires and everything, fire extinguisher, cables, CPUs. Yes. Nana, yeah, please. So see, this data center is very nicely aligned. This data center is very nicely aligned. Do you see everything? It looks very nice, no? Very cute, very nice. All are properly cabled and everything. Yeah. So once again, they cannot see the screen, no? Maybe you can come in here. These two boys. Chair unda? Let go. Yeah, go back. Online, just give me a second, please. You can come this way. Don't worry, if it is congested, we'll have another plan B tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. It's better. So, okay, close the door now. Okay, so okay. I was telling something, right? Yes, this data center is quietly nicely arranged one, right? It's very nicely. You know, when I was working with the Infosys in the olden days, right? Olden days mean don't think I'm very old, right? I'm saying few years back, right? We many years back. So when I was handling the data center, it is not this much nicer. All the cables will be just flowing on the floor, right? And it is coming like, you know, you will feel like you are going inside the booth bangla, right? So this is quietly nice data center, but when I was handling the data center is very clumsy and all the cables are here going here and there, and then it's not at all good, right? Generally data centers will be like this. So let me start with this. So I was handling the data center here, guys. We were only 3 people. How many people? 3 people. So 2 boys, 1 girl. How many? 2 boys, 1 girl. So that girl, she came and she worked for a few months and then got married and she left the company. And then 2 boys and that guy also left the company. I'm the only bakra. I mean, I'm the only one person who started handling the entire data center, Nana. So if you remember, there, I think you were all fresh, no? So there is a company called Nortel. Experienced people know this. So it's a telecom-based company. So where I was handling the complete Nortel data center. This is the Nortel data center which I was handling alone. So now, okay, can you call me as a data center guy? Yes, I'm a data center guy who handle the data center. Now, what is there inside the data center? It has servers, so CPUs, so switches, so routers, so fire, everything will be there inside it. So data center guy is the one who will be handling the entire data center. Okay, on very one fine day, okay, where I'll be sitting next to the data center only, no, all the time. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, I'm sitting here. And for this project, 600 employees are working. How many employees are working? 600 employees are working for this project. So indirectly, how many people are connected to this data center? 600 employees are connected. And who is the support guy? I am the only single person. Okay. So now, when I was working here, right, I have my laptop, I'm working. Aramse, I'm putting on the chair and then I'm just working. All of a sudden, one person came to me. One person came to me and said, hey, is everything good? I said, yeah, well, everything is good, no? I'm okay, everything is nice, I'm good, I'm fine. I'm fine, I'm healthy. So, no. He said, no, I'm not asking about that. If everything data center is good, everything is good. Okay. So if one person came, what I said something and he left. Now, three persons came. And these three persons now has become five people. Five persons came and they rounded up me, saying that, what happened? Are you tell me what happened? No, we are not able to connect to that server in this server. Oh, that's a problem. So we're not able to connect to the servers. So now slowly number of people started increasing. This is not working. That is not working. I'm not able to connect to that server. I'm not able to connect to this, that and all. So then I realized, oh, something is fishy. Something is problem in my data center. So now, yes, round chase confused. Okay, yes. So now after these five people left, and when I was started doing, like I started doing, I opened my laptop and started checking what is wrong. All of a sudden, all these five people left, and again one person will come with the big belly. Who is that? Manager. So you have decided manager will have belly, huh? Okay. So manager is a guy who came and said that he will not ask what is the problem. He'll say, is that resolved? Is that resolved? Array, I just even not started. What is the problem? You're asking what is it resolved? No, it is not resolved. Give me some time. And then I started troubleshooting now. I started troubleshooting it. See, guys, I started troubleshooting it. So when I started troubleshooting, you tell me first of all, is it easy to fix the problem inside the data center? What do you think? Everyone, I want answers from everyone. Yes or no? Online? No. So even a layman person, right? Even a layman person, or even those person who doesn't know anything about anything, if you asking, Babu, is it is it easy to handle the data center? What he'll say? Ammo, no. Is it easy to fix any problem inside the data center? No. So I'm the only one person. I started troubleshooting it. So now I started troubleshooting, and now 1 hour has happened. 2 hours are happened. And in these 2 hours, what are these 600 people will be doing? Huh? What are these 600 people will be doing at that time? Huh? Enjoy. Yes or no? So I was in Bangalore campus in Infosys. Bangalore campus is very big campus. What they do? Buy and this friend, what they do is they'll go and roam the entire campus. Yes or no? So who is the guy who is completely done? I'm the only person who was working inside it, and rest all 600 people, what they did is they're just roaming around inside the campus. I am lady sitting inside the data center. All 600 people are enjoying the campus. If he's enjoying alone, that is fine. But problem is pair, no. But I was not having. So you don't understand our problems on those days, right? So the thing was, yes. But all of a sudden, this one of few people inside the 600 people, they call me, Riaz. I thought, about they are a workaholic and they are calling me when it said, don't resolve it quickly. Take your time. Don't resolve it quickly. Take your time. Right? So many people started calling me, and I switch off my phone and started concentrating on the work. So it has been now 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It has not resolved. And I started calling my manager, and manager also came, and then he started troubleshooting. We both started troubleshooting, and it took almost a complete 6 to 7, let's say 7 hours to fix the problem. So whenever you found the problem, whenever you found the solution, you should be happy, right? But my manager has become, his face turned to red. He was very angry. And he said that, so Riaz, get the CC camera. Let's see the footage. So when we saw the footage, right, no one went inside the data center. There was only one person who went inside with a long, big stick. So when we got, at least I got tension when we zoomed him. And you know who is he? He's a housekeeping guy. Yeah. So what he was doing is, so guys, data center is my baby, no? So what I was doing is I slowly stepping and going inside it. What this guy will do? So he went like how you people do shopping, right? So this, that way, that way. So when he was going inside it, and all of a sudden he stepped on the cable and my cable got unplugged. Somewhere on so many servers, the upstream, some server cable got unplugged. To find that, it took 7 hours. Now, how many employees are there? How many hours wasted? So total how many hours? 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 41 or 2? If you ask suddenly, sir, how can we say that? Huh? So 6 sevens are 42. 4,200 hours got wasted. So guys, client will be paying for that every hour for us. So can I say to the client saying that, Babu, someone went inside, he stepped on the cable, it got unplugged. So can I say to the customer? No. So it is not Riaz representing it. It is big Infosys representing to the customer. Can he say, in his country, he can say, Infosys, his housekeeping stepped on the cable and lost 4,200 hours. That meaning how many thousands of dollars, how many lakhs of dollars got wasted? See, is it easy to handle the data center? So I'm slowly triggering your brain now. Is it easy to handle the data center? No. So now, do you see this? This is what, Nana? CPUs. What is this? These are the CPU. There will be so many CPUs inside the data center, correct? So many CPUs will be there inside the data center. So all are physical CPUs. All are physical CPU. Now you tell me, as per the 3-tier architecture that we have learned, is it recommended to keep application and database on the same machine? What do you say, Nana? No. So if you keep application database on the same machine, what will happen? Fight will happen. So if the fight will happen, so you will get good performance? No. So now for that reason, I need to keep application in separate server, database in separate server, web server in separate server. In each and every component separately, I need to put. That meaning I will get so many CPUs. I'll have so many CPUs. For each and every requirement, I'll be having so many CPUs. Now, all of a sudden, all the customers or people will connect it to the CPUs. And let's say, for example, this CPU crashed. The hard disk is crashed. So is it normal scenario, right? It's a very common scenario that your hard disk will be crashed. So everyone started complaining, hey, Riaz, your hard disk is crashed. Please do something. I have some data there. Then what should I do? So then at that time, what I'll be doing is I'll be calling, if it is Dell server, I'll be calling Dell person. If it is HP or Acer, whichever the company it is, I'll be calling that person. That person will come to office. And I'll be taking the CPU in my hands. And I'll say that, please save. Please save my CPU. Right? Because what I have inside it, data. What I have inside it? Data. And I'll be taking the CPUs with lot of heavy burden heart. I'll be giving to him saying that, please help. So this guy will say, I'll try my level best. Pray God, I'll try my level best. So he will take into the room and he will do 1 or 2 hours. He will fight with it. He'll do the operation. And after that, after 2 hours, I'll be waiting outside. And after 2 hours, he'll come back with very sad face. And he'll take out this pets. And he'll say that, I'm sorry. I tried my level. I tried my level best. So did he save the data? No. So he tried a lot, but he couldn't save the data. What should I tell to customer? As a data center guy, what should I tell to customer? Should I sell that hard disk is crashed? Data is gone. So is it easy to handle all these things? No, right? Luckily, I have good hair. Otherwise, half gone. Right? So it is very, very hard to handle the data centers. Do you all agree? Is it easy to handle the data centers? No. So now, Chiti, now inside this data center, you have so many common issues. All of a sudden, your AC is not working. What will happen? All the servers will heat up and then it stop working. And all of a sudden, one rat, not one rat, two rats went inside. Rats. What do you call rats in Hindi? Chua. So if two rats go inside, will they keep quiet? They'll make babies, no? So that they went inside and you have seen so many red, yellow, blue cables are there inside it. And they'll have a nice party inside it. Yes or no? So they'll do that and this, and then again, the connections are gone. Right? And you'll say, what happened if power goes off? You'll say, there is a generator, sir. What if that generator also goes off? Problem? So we have lots of problem with the data center. I just told you only few. Okay, now let me go a little bit deeper now. So I'll take two people here. So I need two persons. Tell me your names. Okay, one girl and one boy. Okay, let's say I'll take my offline here. Just tell me some names, no? Bharat, is okay if you take your name? You'll not feel, no? No feeling. No. Okay, so don't feel, huh? Because you will be a crucial person here for today's class. So this guy is, who's that? Bharata? Bharat. Okay. So this is Bharat. And then, and one more girl name I need. So whatever I'm talking today is related to very important topic. Okay. So this guy is Bharat. Okay. So this guy is, okay. Nice guy. Okay. So one girl name, please. Give some name. Tell me your name. Ma? Pavan. Pravalika. Pravalika, my childhood friend. Pravalika. Correct na? Okay. So now we have Pravalika also. So she has, okay. Girl, no? Let's put some. Okay. Okay. Huh? It's okay, hair. That's fine. You tell hair, makeup, foundation, all paste. Why you should? Okay. So, okay. Now, so we have these two people. Very good guys. So here we have our Bharat. So guys, Bharatha, Bharat. So this Bharat is operations guy. What, Nana? Operations guy. Operations guy mean don't think he's doing operations. Operations guy meaning he's related to IT operations. That meaning who handles the data center. And Pravalika, she is a business girl. She's very good in business. Now, guys, listen this carefully. So now, Bharat and Pravalika, so Pravalika thought that she want to set up a company. Okay, and she want to set up a company, and she has a website. So every company has a website, no? So she has a website, and she called Bharat saying that, hey Bharat, we are setting up a new company. So this is the website of my company, and this is the application that we have developed. So please put it to some server and give me the URL so that I can share to my customers. So what the Bharat will do is, Bharat will say that, sure, Pravalika, let me do that. And what he'll do is, he'll go to the shop and he'll purchase the server. Yes or no? No, he'll go and purchase the server. How many servers he will purchase? Only one. Because Bharat has asked Pravalika, how many people will be accessing that server? And she said, only 5 people. For 5 people, how many servers is required? One server is required, no? So he went, what he did was he went to the shop and he purchased the server, he got and he put it and he unplugged, he powered on and he installed everything, he set up the website. Very good. As it is only one server, do we need to go and purchase a big building for this? No, what he did, as it is only one server, he put it in his own bedroom. He put it in his bedroom. So Aram say he put it in bedroom. So now 5 people started accessing the website and they said, wow, kya website hai, super fast, very nice, powerful website. So everyone started appreciating Pravalika, saying that your website is company is very superb. And these 5 people will keep quiet. No, this they will give it to 10 people. Yes or no? This 10 people will give to 100 people. This 100 people will give to 500 people. And now 5,000 people started accessing it. What will happen to that server now? Boom. What will happen? Right? So 5,000. So those who were accessing initially 5 people, now 5,000 people are there. So everyone will start appreciating now, or they will start scolding. Yes. So they will call Pravalika saying that, hey, initially your website is super fast. What happened now? Right? Your company is growing. That's why you got this or that. And they will, when everyone will start shouting. Correct? So now Pravalika called Bharat. Hey, Bharat, what's happening? Everyone saying that my website is very slow. And Bharat asked, how many people are accessing? She told 5,000. 5,000. What did you say to me? 5 people. Now you have 5,000. So what is the Bharat action now? Yes. What the Bharat action here is, he will go run to the shop and he'll purchase more servers. He'll purchase more servers. So as the business is going, the number of servers are increasing. See, as the business is growing, number of servers got increased. So now, as the number of servers are increasing, his bedroom is also gone. Do we have these many servers? Can you fit in one bedroom? His living room is also gone. His hall is also gone. His bathroom is also gone. Right? So everything is gone now. So he don't even have space to go and see or sleep inside his home. Now this entire one has become what now? Data center. What is this called? Data center. Now you all understood how generally data centers will form? Like this only the data centers will form. So you can also call it as data center, and also you can call it as server room. But let's not call it as server room. Let's call it as, Nana, what is it today? Data center. So this data center is handled by whom? Bharat. So if you're handling, guys, if the data center is handled by us, we call it as on-premises. What is that called? Louder. What is that called? On-premises. What is that called? On-premises. So if someone asks you what is on-premises, you say that the data center which is handled by us is called the on-premises. What is on-premises? The data center which is handled by us is called the on-premises. Got it, Nana? Okay, now, so now she's, now let's see here, guys, now handling, now how many data centers are there for Bharat? How many data centers are there here? Based on the diagram, only one data center. So handling the one data center easy or difficult? It is difficult. So handling the data center itself is difficult. Okay, now the problem here is, let's say for example, all of a sudden client asked, hey Bharat, we need 10 machines. Bharat will have ready-madely 10 machines with him? No. So if you want to purchase a small pen drive in your online, how much days will it take to come to you? 3 to 4 days. It will take 3 to 4 days, Nana. So this 3 to 4 days, but if you want to purchase 10 servers, how much time will it take? It will take a lot of time, correct? It will take a lot. So what you need to do is, Bharat, let's say if you take Infosys, so let's say it's a big company. So Bharat knows he has a requirement of 10 machines. First, Bharat will tell to Pravalika. Pravalika says, hey, Pravalika, we need 10 machines. Pravalika knows the problem and she says that, no problem, approved. Then Bharat will have another meeting with the delivery manager. And delivery manager, they'll sit and tell me, Bharat, what's the problem? Sir, I need 10 machines. Customer is asking. Okay, approved. So how many levels of meeting will have? He will have a different levels of meeting. And finally, the request will go to financial team, finance department. I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, in that finance department, mostly girls will be there. Yes or no? You don't know? Those who are working, they know. Mostly we see girls there. So, sorry, excuse me. So Bharat went to that and she has a meeting with that girl saying that girl will say, this guy will say, we need 10 missions. And that finance girl will say, do you need 10 missions? Can't you adjust with 5? Yes or no? As a financer, they will be there should be very restricted on the budget, right? So, customer need 10 missions. Why you are saying 5 missions? We need 10 missions. So she also get approved. And finally, it will go and finally you get the missions there. Guys, by the time you complete all these things, how many days will take? It will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks at least. So for 2 to 3 weeks, the customer will be waiting for you. Customer will say, today I need 10 missions. Will you say, please give me 3 weeks? No. So is it easy to handle? Is it easy to set up the servers quickly just like that? What is your answer? No. It is easy, Tana? No, it is not easy. It's not at all easy. Okay, let's say for example. And also the problem here is every server, if you purchase any device, if you purchase mobile also, server also, you will have a warranty. Yes or no? How many years warranty you will have? How many? 1 year, 2 year maximum, right? So, and of course, 3 years also. Okay. So now you have these servers. These servers will also have warranty. Okay. In the data center, will you keep the server which is out of warranty servers? What is your answer? Will you keep out of warranty servers? No. No, you don't keep it. Just in case Pusuk something goes wrong, we'll get a support from a company. So guys, see here, I have, let's say for example here, 50 servers inside the data centers. All are my physical machines. So with these 50 servers will be get out of warranty after 2 years. What will you do after 2 years then? You need to take off these 50 machines and bring the new 50 machines, correct? Will he increase the warranty? He will increase the warranty 1 time or 2 times or 1 year or 2 years. Will he keep on increasing the warranty? No. So guys, 50 servers, 50 machines are getting wasted here. 50 machines, big servers. So you know it, what you will be doing is, and you will be putting everything in the storeroom. Yes or no? Everything you're putting in the storeroom. Unnecessary. Are there any use of this? No use. No use. So is there any space inside your data center now? No space. Do you have any space? So guys, in this situation, Bharat is thinking, who is handling this data center? Bharat is handling, our friend Bharat is handling the data center. He's thinking, Array, there is no space in the data center. What if I get a new requirement? All of a sudden, one girl came. When she came and she told to Bharat, hey Bharat, yes, hi. And can you give me one server, please? You need one server? Oh, no problem. Huh? Take it, no problem. Take it. So is it easy to set up the server? Do you have any space in the data center? But Bharat, what he did? I'll do. So what he did was he went into the storeroom. He dragged one big server. He adjusted all these things. He pushed in the data center and he made some place. And finally, with how many hours? It will take 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours work. And he pushed everything and he managed to set up the server for her. And then Bharat says that, and she says, thank you, Bharat. Huh? Cho cheat. Okay, so that's a dangerous word they'll use, right? So they don't know how to spell, no? So it's okay. Right? So I'm just kidding, ma. Don't take it too hard. Okay, just kidding. So she'll say that, okay, very nice. So Bharat will be where? Where will be the Bharat now? Bharat will be on cloud. Bharat will be on cloud. Okay, so now that's fine. That's fine. Now Bharat is very happy. Next day, that girl is coming. Same girl is coming. Next day, that girl is coming. And this time, when she's coming, Bharat is now ready. Everything is ready. Okay, so he combed his hair, chest up, and then his and she came and said, Bharat, yes, tell me. I want to tell 3 words. Right? So I want to tell the 3 words. Bharat got very intelligent and then, okay, no problem, tell me. Right? And then I don't know how to tell. Bharat said, no problem, you tell, I'll listen. And she said that, sure? Yeah, I'm ready, sure. I crashed the server. What is that? I crashed the server. And all of a sudden, Bharat is in some different mood. All of a sudden, what? You crashed the server? Oma, it took how much time? 4 hours time to set up the entire server. And then, no, it's so sorry, Bharat, please, sorry, Bharat. No, it's okay. Don't be sorry. It's okay. That's fine. No. When she's going, Bharat, yes, I need one more server. No, please, Bharat, please. So Bharat said, okay, we'll give. So what he did was, again, same process, right? Again, same process. He went to the he went to the storeroom, he grabbed the big machine, he managed the space, and he took 5 to 6 hours time. And then finally he gave that password, username, IP address, and to her. And she said, thank you. And she left. And then again, she came and she said, I crashed the server. And when the next time she's coming, Bharat will be running. Yes or no? So is it easy to set up the servers in the data center? So now this girl came, right? So she has a requirement. She's doing some testing, and it's very natural that the server might crash. But the problem is Bharat could not able to handle the machines. That's the problem here. It's not the problem with the girl. Girl has like this. We have so many customers and clients where they are asking for the requirements. So Bharat is not ready to handle that requirement. Yes or no? So guys, the problem here is he got frustrated. Already he's in frustration. And that too, the girl came and then she already get frustrated now. And in this frustrated situation, Pravalika called to Bharat. And Bharat said, yes, Pravalika, tell me. Hey, we got a new project. Be ready for next 50 servers. Another 50 servers now. So guys, what is the frustration level of Bharat now out of 10? Out of 10, how much? Out of 10 out of 10? Okay. So as the business is growing, guys, now Pravalika is very good in business. She got the business and he's trying to increase the number of servers like this. And finally, how many data centers he has totally? 3 data centers. He was with only 1 data center. Now, how many data centers he's handling? So any issues now multiplied by 3. If he's getting any issues, let's say 10 issues, now he will get how many issues? 30 issues. Handling the data center is easy. Easy? No. So now he's handling 3 data centers, Nana. He's handling 3 data centers. Okay. So now, and now he got really frustrated with 3 data centers concept. Again, Pravalika called and said, we got a new customer. And Bharat is now gone. Over. Khatam. Tata. Bye-bye. Huh? So the problem is Bharat, he got frustrated. Generally, whenever we get frustrated, where do we go? I mean, not wrong question, no. Where do we go? Hospital. What, to check BP and all? Whenever you get frustrated, generally in your life, whenever you get frustrated, where do you go? Swimming pool, gym, and some people eat a lot, right? Right. So, okay, now, okay, should not taste all these things here. Okay, so now assume this guy, he got frustrated, and then Bharat got frustrated and now he is sitting under the tree. Okay, this is tree. So Bharat is sitting on the tree, lying on the tree, under the tree. So Bharat started thinking, Array, every time whenever new requirements come, I'm going and purchasing a new servers. Yes or no? Yes. So every new server has this kind of architecture or traditional architecture. Guys, if you take a server, Nana, what is there at the bottom of the server? What do you have at the bottom? You have a hardware on top of it, operating system on top of it, application. So you have a hardware on top of it, OS, on top of it, application. So do you all agree this is a traditional architecture? It's a traditional architecture. So if you go and purchase, this is a physical server. Yes or no? No. This is a physical machine. So every time whenever there is a requirement, he going and purchasing the servers. As he going and purchasing the servers, the space is getting occupied and number of racks are getting increased and number of data centers are also getting increased. So he got frustrated a lot and he's sitting under the tree. Don't tell me Apple fallen down, right? It's not Apple, right? So, okay, so he's sitting under the tree and don't ask her what tree is that, sir. Some tree, right? You take Marichetu or whatever tree. So he's sitting on the tree and he has phone in his hand. He has phone in his hand and he's surfing on the phone. Whenever he's surfing on the phone, already got frustrated and he's surfing on the phone and he got to know one powerful word. No. So that powerful word, we call it as virtualization. What is that? Say that. What is that, Nana? Virtualization. What is that? Virtualization. Remember this word, virtualization. So this guy, Bharat, saw virtualization. Now, what is this virtualization? So, yes. So virtualization meaning he started reading it. Let's see what is virtualization. Nana, you take the server. This is the host machine. Can we say this is the host machine? Every server is a host machine, no? So on bottom, what you have? Hardware. Okay. Okay, see here. So this is very important. Concentrate. So this is the host machine. On host machine, what you have here, Nana? Hardware. Generally on top of it, what do we have? Generally on top of it, what we have? Operating system. But this time we have something called hypervisor. What is that? Hypervisor. What is that, Nana? Hypervisor. So what is this hypervisor? Hypervisor meaning, have you heard this company called VMware? Have you heard about VMware? There is a company called VMware. So VMware is a company. What this guy did was, he also has the same kind of physical machine problem. And so he developed one software. He developed one software. And you take that software and install it on the machine, on the server. Once you install, it will form, it will form something called virtualization layer. What is that? That virtualization layer is called hypervisor. So once you install, what you will install? A virtualization layer will be installed on the server. What layer, Nana? Virtualization layer. What is that virtualization layer called? Hypervisor. Certification question. What is the virtualization layer called? Hypervisor. What is that? Hypervisor. So if I ask you what is hypervisor, what do you say? It's a virtualization layer. And if I ask you a question, so which is the company or software is used to have a virtualization layer? VMware. So there are so many other companies also. But very known company is VMware. Okay, so now the question is, sir, now virtualization layer got installed. What is the use of it? Do we have operating system there? No. Do we have operating system there? No. On top of it, what you can do is, Nana, you can create, on top of it, you can create a virtual machine. What you can create? Everyone say that. What do you create? Virtual machine. Each virtual, is it physical machine or virtual machine? So physical meaning where I can touch. Virtual, can you touch? It's a virtual machine. But it looks like a server only. It acts like a server only. Do you need physically now? No, it is virtual. So in that virtual machine, you have hardware also. On top of it, you have operating system. And on top of it, you have application. So like this, can you create multiple virtual machine on the server? Yes, which will help you to create virtual machines like this. Virtualization VMware, right? It's a virtualization layer. Once you install virtualization layer, it will help to create multiple virtual machines. What are these called? What are these called? Virtual machines. Virtual machines. In shortcut, you can call it as VM also. What is that? VM. VMs. What is it called? VMs. You're getting it? So each virtual machine will act as a server. Yes or no? Each virtual machine. So on one physical machine, inside that you will have virtual machines. Now, how many machines are there? 4. So that means, do I need to have four physical machines? Not required. How many physical machines? Oh, physical machines. Only one physical machine. Inside the one physical machine, inside you have virtual machines. You understand? So which is the software will help you to install, to set up these virtual machines? VMware. Got this? So now these machines are also called it as guest machine. What is that? Generally, who are guest? You will get the guest in your home, no? Who will come and go? They'll sit with you. I mean, for longer period of time. No, they'll come and then leave. So they'll come and leave. Virtual machines also like that. Whenever you want, create it. Whenever you don't want, delete it. Anna. Chiti, you got this? If you have a physical machine, if you want to set up a physical machine, how many hours will it take to set up a physical machine? 3 to 4 hours it will take. But now this virtual machine, within 3 minutes you can create. You can create just like that and you can delete just like that. Yes or no? Is it any hard to create a virtual machine? Simply just within 3 minutes you can create it. Within immediately you can delete it. But can you delete your physical machine? This is a physical CPU. Can I scrap this? Can I break it? No. If it is gone, it is gone. But my virtual machine, I can create it. I can delete it just like that. That is the power of virtualization. That is the power of virtualization. So now, let's say I'm giving an example. Guys, now you have a requirement of 100 machines, Nana. How many? You have a requirement of 100 machines. Now you tell me, will you go and purchase 100 machines now? No. Let's say you will be purchasing 5 physical machines, 5 big machines. Okay. And rest 95 are virtual machines. Rest 95 are virtual machines. Got it? So how much cost you have saved? Lot of cost. How much space you have saved? How much current bill, power supply, the cost you have saved there? A lot. So instead of having a headache, say handling 100 machines or handling 5 machines, which one is easy? 5 machines. That is the power of virtualization. So Nana, in this host machine, do we have an operating system? Do you have an operating system on this host machine? No. Let's say, for example, this is machine, right? So let's say, for example, it is using 24 GB RAM, for example. Nana, so if I want to have 2 GB RAM for each and every virtual machine, how many virtual machines I can create? How many? So my physical machine has 24 GB RAM. So I need to, and how many, if I want to give 2 GB RAM for each virtual machine, how many virtual machines you can create? 12. So that meaning, if you have a question that, sir, how many virtual machines I can create in one physical machine? Depend upon your capacity. Depend upon your capacity. So your virtual machine is using your host machine resources? Yes, these resources it is using. Yes or no? You got it today. Getting it? So do you have any operating system here? No. So this virtualization is called bare metal virtualization. Which one? Bare metal. Bare metal meaning no operating system there. Bare metal virtualization. Okay. So now you might ask, sir, can we also have, remember, I don't know, in our olden days meaning few years back, right? You have your laptops, no? On those days, if you want to use Linux, Windows, both, what we used to do before? Dual operating system, remember? Do you know dual operating system? Hey, really? So same age. Okay, dual operating system. So whenever you starting the operating, you press F2 or F5, F5, F5. Then you will get Linux or Windows. Choose one. So in one laptop, in one system, we have two operating system. Here, do you need that like that? No. You create Linux machine, you get Windows machine, how many ever you want. You create it, you delete it. Simple. So now in your laptop also, let's say, assume this is your laptop, okay, or server. For your laptop, on the bottom you have what? Hardware. On top of it, OS. See here, this is your. So on the bottom you have a hardware. On top of it, what you have? OS. Windows OS. Okay. On top of it, what you can do is, can we install virtualization layer also on your laptop? Yes. Nana, have you heard about Oracle VirtualBox? Oracle VB. What is that? Oracle VB. Oracle VB is a one small software that is available in your internet. If you download this and install it, you can create virtual machine in your laptop also. So it is similar like having multiple laptops, but virtually. You understand? So we have VirtualBox on top of it. So can you set up virtualization layer also in your laptop? Yes, you have virtualization layer. On top of it, you create a what? Virtual machines you can create. So do you have operating system on your laptop? Yes. So this is called host-based virtualization. What is it, Nana? Host-based virtualization. Host-based virtualization. So now you understood what is bare metal virtualization and host-based virtualization. Bare metal virtualization meaning, do you have operating system on your host machine? No. So you tell me, in our industry, in our company, in our backend data centers, will you use bare metal or host-based? Bare metal will use. This host-based is all on our laptops and all. On the server side, you go with the bare metal. So guys, now, yes, it is fast. So now, guys, now what Bharat has understood, do you all understood? Is it clear till here, everyone? No, is it clear? See, there, backside, there. You understood? Online, is it clear? NCC? CC meaning cluster clear. NCC meaning non-IT people also put CC, NCC, okay? So, good. So, virtualization. So, now we have two types of virtualization. What are those? Bare metal virtualization, host-based virtualization. Which one? Bare metal virtualization, host-based virtualization. Okay, now. So, now Bharat saw this host-based virtualization meaning, guys, host-based meaning, bottom you have hardware, on top of it you have operating system. On top of it, you install virtualization. What is an example of software that you install in your host-based? Oracle VB, or you can use VMware Workstation. There are so many things are there. So many softwares are there. You install it on your laptop. In your laptop also, can you create virtual machines? Yes, you can create. That is called host-based virtualization. Okay, Nana? Banu Prakash. Okay, now, Bharat, what he did was, he saw all this technology, and what he did was, he has migrated. We call it as P2V migration. What is that? Physical to virtual migration. What is that? Physical to virtual migration. So now, can he migrate all these physical to virtual machines? Yes, he can migrate all these physical to virtual machines. So what he did was, he went to the data center and he migrated all these physical server to virtual servers. If you migrate to physical to virtual, do you need 3 data centers? Not required. So he's back with again one data center. He's back with one data center. Because he has converted all this physical machine to virtual, no? Do you need three big data centers? He has converted all the physical machines data to virtual machine. He's converted. So converted meaning no. So physical, you have physical machine. Home, beam, part, boom, virtual. It is not like that. Okay. So whatever the data you have inside the machine, you take it and put it in the virtual machine. Do you need this machine anymore? Physical machine? Not required. You're getting it. So now assume you have total 150 racks. How many racks? So now it has now reduced to 20 racks. How many? So how many data centers are there now? Only one. So guys, I always say this. Should I tell you one small twist? So it is not Bharat here. It is me, Ria sir, who was handling this, who has migrated all these physical to virtual machines in Infosys from 150 racks to 20 racks. And this is where I got an award from Mr. N. sir, Narayan Murthy garu. Right? So it is me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, and don't ask me who is that girl, testing girl. Okay, okay. So, okay, let's come back here. So, at that time, we migrated all these physical machines to virtual machines. So now see here, guys. So we have all the host machines here. Yes, we have all the hosts. So he has converted all these physical machines to virtual machines. Okay, now, and the testing girl came to Bharat. Now, usually Bharat is running, no? Now this time, he stood correctly, firmly, and said, yeah, what's the problem? And she said that, I need one machine. And what Bharat will say? Take 5 machines. Take 5 machines. Why? Because of virtualization. So can you create a virtual machine just like that? You can create just like that. You can delete just like that. Got this? So now, okay, now, so now Bharat is very happy. Frustration level from 10 to down. Okay. In this situation, from here, listen this carefully. In this situation, Pravalika called Bharat. Hey, Bharat, we got a very big project. No problem. No problem. So Bharat took that project and he set up the servers. So many servers. And Pravalika is very good in business. So many servers. So many servers. Very good business. So many servers. Very good business. So many servers. Guys, what has happened now? Again back to 3 data centers. Again back to 3 data centers. Ari, he was, till now, he was very happy, right? Till now, he was very happy that he has reduced the data centers and the risk is decreased. But now, as the projects are going keep on increasing, the number of host machines are increasing. Guys, now do you see in each host machine, you have multiple virtual machines? So just in case Pusuku, this went down, one host machine went down, indirectly so many virtual machines will go down. So the risk has been now increased or decreased? Increased. Guys, Bharat was very happy. He thought like, Arey, I got virtualization technology. I thought like I can decrease it. The risk is now increased. Not multiple times, 100 of times the risk got increased now. Now tell me what is the frustration level of Bharat again? He'll get 100 out of 10. How much? What is the frustration level? Tell me. So he's going mad. He's scratching his head. Oh, like, what is it? What I'm doing? So many issues, so many issues, so many issues. So guys, in this situation, again, Pravalika called. Bharat, yes, we got 1 billion project. Hello? Hello? Bharat, you there? Hello? No response. Right? So Bharat, he said that I'm resigning the company. I'm resigning the company. So Pravalika got scared. Oh, till now he was handling everything. All of a sudden he said that I cannot handle it. Oh, Bharat, what happened? No, please, I cannot handle this anymore. No, we got 1 billion project. How can you say no? No, I cannot handle it. Arey, I'll give 50 lakhs package. If you give 1 crore package also, I don't handle it. Arey, don't do this, Bharat. Please, don't do this. Please come to the meeting room. Let's talk. So they both are sitting in the meeting room. Now, Bharat started expressing himself. This is the problem. That is the problem. I have so many issues. I thought virtualization will help me, but virtualization also couldn't help me. I have so many data centers. How can I handle all these things? Right? So, very good. Okay. So, guys, serious matter. Okay. Okay. See here. Okay. So, guys, see here. Listen this. So, they both are sitting in the meeting room. Guys, they both are sitting in the meeting room and just thinking that. So Bharat is telling, I was handling virtualization. I thought it will be easy. So now again, I'm back to data center. Now you're saying you 1 billion big project. That meaning how many data centers I should set up now? My risks is getting increased. So slowly my BP levels, sugar levels will increase. Right? So I cannot able to handle this, please. Right? Pravalika said, please do something. Please. No, I cannot handle it. Guys, Pravalika has a contract paper in her hands to sign the project. But she can able to sign the project. Her hands are shaking. Her hands are shaking. She could not able to put the sign on the contract paper. Bharat could not able to help. He is helpless. And Pravalika also thinking that, what is the future of my company now? I cannot leave this big project. They have tears in their eyes. They have tears in their eyes. Pravalika cannot able to sign it. Bharat could not able to help it. So they both, their hands are on their heads, thinking that, oh my God, are we lost now? Is it done? Guys, in this frustrated situation, someone knocked the door. And they said, come in. And that new person came and asked, hey, Bharat, what's the problem? He said, I cannot able to handle data center. I have so many issues. I cannot handle the data center. I'm getting frustrated. My health is gone. I cannot handle it. Pravilika, what is your problem? I want to get projects. I want to grow up my company. So now this new person said that, hey, Bharat, do not worry. I will be handling your data center. Who? I will be handling your data center. Whenever Bharat listened that words, he automatically stood up and said, what did you say? Yes, I will be handling data center behalf of you. You just leave from here. Really? So he started leaving. So they both, now Pravalika said, and that new person said, hey, Pravalika, you want to sign that paper? Sign it. Not only one. Take 10 and sign it. Take 10 projects, 10 billions projects also. I will help you. They got very excited and they started running from there. And by the time they came return and said, boss, sorry, I did not ask your name. Who are you? What is your name? And he said, my name is AWS. My name is AWS. People call me Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. So that meaning I should not be able to handle the data center? No. I will be handling the data center on behalf of you. So that meaning I can sign the project? Yes, you can sign 10 more projects like this. Sure, will you be able to handle my data center? Yes. Get out, go. I'll take it. So guys, like this, everyone from AWS went to each and every customer and say that, hey, we'll be able to handle the data center? No, give me your data center, give me your data center, give me your data center, give me. So he is not going to any customer now. He stood in the back, he stood in the market, in industry, he called it as himself as, my name is AWS. Those who cannot handle the data center, come to me, I will handle it. And don't forget, my name is AWS. So everyone since then, every company, everyone started migrating to AWS. So migrating to AWS. Now you tell me, Nana. Now you tell me. So now you are starting up a new company. Will you set up your own data center? Will you go to AWS? AWS. Who will handle that frustration? Who will take that risk? Right? So AWS will take it. If you want to set up your own data center, it is your risk. Are you ready to take that risk? No. So entire infrastructure, what is infrastructure? The servers, everything, entire infrastructure is completely managed by now AWS. You concentrate on the business. That's why every company started concentrating on the business, and infrastructure is concentrated by whom? AWS. So everything is completely managed by AWS. You just need to use it. That's it. You just need to use it. So since then, everyone says that everyone started doing virtual to cloud migration. Have you heard about this? Everyone are migrating to cloud. Everyone are migrating to cloud. Yes. So now, guys, now you understood. From physical, we have moved to virtual. From virtual, we have moved to cloud. So now you have the question, sir, what is cloud? Where is cloud? What is this AWS? What is the relation between AWS and cloud? All these things we'll see in tomorrow's class. So now our hero entered. Who is our hero? AWS enter. From here, picture will be super hit picture will be happening, right? So guys, this is just a teaser. What is this? This is just a teaser. Picture abhi baki hai those, right? From tomorrow, the trailer will start. So this is just a teaser. So I started slowly injecting the topics in your brains, right? And I'll be taking from here slowly. From tomorrow onwards, you should not miss the class because our hero already entered. So now you tell me, is it possible for me to talk about all these things on the very first day? So that is how we will go. So guys, what I'll be doing is slowly, steadily, step by step, we will learn, right? So from physical to virtualization, from virtual to cloud, we have moved it. So on day one, if I say that, welcome to AWS cloud and cloud, I started talking about cloud. That doesn't make any sense? So that is the difference with me, right? So I'll be injecting you slowly, step by step, so that you can understand each and every topic. So those who are new today, so just collect the links. So online, so we will talk a lot. Okay, we'll talk a lot, guys. Let's say, for example, you have a huge jumbo biryani. Will you eat everything in one shot? Slowly. If you taking small bite, that maza is different, right? Understood? So slowly we will talk. So there is a question here. What's that? Sir, this is Rafi. I'm your previous batch student. I'm happy and glad to share with you that I complete certification. Wow. Okay. No words for your presentation during teaching. Thank you. Your good name, SR. Right. So good. Congratulations. Yes, sir. So good that you, Rafi. Huh? Okay, Rafi. Nice. Congratulations, Rafi. See, guys. I mean, so today only one batch got completed. So they had a, last day, no? Generally last days, they will feel very emotional. And good thing is they have already also completed the certification. So guys, if you want to know more about me, just to go to Google and type AWS by Riyaz sir, and you will get to know more about me. I don't talk, my work speaks. Okay. And I'm telling you, as I always tell you, give me a chance and take a chance. I'll kick this AWS in your brains. Directly, I'll be injecting your brains. And also in market, what is my, what people call me? AWS doctor. So that I'll be injecting your brains without any pain, right? So, okay, those who are from day one till here, how are the classes? Right? So do you need to do any revision? No revision is required, right? Everything will be injected in your brains. Okay? Excellent. So any questions, Nana? So from tomorrow, we'll be jumping into the topics. So do not miss the class. And online guys, please take those recording links, those who have missed. Already paid fees, sir. Very good. So guys, those you can just go with the formalities. Shubham will be your admin. Okay, who is that? Mr. Shubham. So you will get to know soon. For that, you need to know Kubernetes. Abdul, no. Any questions, Nana, online? Don't worry. We just started. There's so many people, no, more than 200 people, right? So in every batch, I have huge, strings, right? So that is the Shubham, right? Please take his phone number and WhatsApp him. Don't call him, okay? He'll be getting so many messages, right? So just put a WhatsApp message to him, okay? So this class will help you to write solution architect associate level certification. If you want to know more about if you want to know more about certification, please check my first link. First link there, I've discussed about the certifications. So if required, we'll talk about certification again and again. Don't worry, in this course, I'll be covering interview questions, certification questions, and then lots of hands-on, right? Practicals, a lot. It's a mixed package, okay? So end of the course, and I'll be sharing you a few certification questions also. So you can easily clear those certifications, don't worry. So certification is, okay, keep aside. For thing is here, you need to learn technical topics. Certification, it's okay. You can, if you go through it, you can clear it off. But technical topics are very important. With logic is important. That's why I concentrate more on the basics. If basics are good, on top, everything will be good. If basics are not clear, you cannot do anything much up. Okay? With AWS, do I need to do the other side? So for experienced people, you need to go VK. But for AWS is, so course length, it is 55 to 60 days. How much, Nana? 55 to 60 days. This is class is online, offline, both. I have here beautiful boys and girls, handsome boys, beautiful girls, right? So many are there here. Manasa. Any other questions, Nana? Good. So can you give me the final CC for today, please? Online. CC with smile. Smile is the only takeaway, okay? So if you smile, I'll feel happy. See how people are smiling. Nice. The talent. Okay, but nice smile. So I don't know who, but yeah. Good. So tomorrow, don't miss the class, okay? Tomorrow, don't miss the class. So our class will be with fun and entertainment, and we'll be learning the topics. So don't miss the classes. Okay, Nana? So that is all, guys, for today. And I'll see you tomorrow with the next important topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Until then, good night.